Do you want to achieve recognized occupational health and safety qualification while working? Sitting Guilds NVQ Level 3 in occupational health and safety is exactly what you're looking for. No training, no exam, and almost no chance to fail. Hello, my name is Anar Melikov, and I am a charter member of IOSH and a fellow member of IIRSM. I have worked in HSE and quality field for over 25 years in different industries, and I am the lead assessor for NVQ qualifications in our portfolio. NVQ in OHS is a competency-based qualification. It's not a theoretical training course, and there is no exam. In other words, it's on-the-job learning, and all you need to do is to develop a portfolio of evidence from knowledge and experience that demonstrates you meet the assessment criteria set for NVQ Level 3 in OHS. You are free to study anywhere and anytime, and are supported by individual assessor during your learning process. This qualification is intended for managers, supervisors, and OHS professionals with existing health and safety responsibilities involved in their day-to-day working procedures and processes. This qualification program aims to improve the OHSE knowledge, understanding, and skills of candidates, and of course, it's an excellent opportunity for those who wish to progress in their career. This qualification is accredited by the Institution of Occupational Safety and Health, IOSH, the world's leading body for health and safety professionals. At the successful completion of the qualification, the learners will be eligible for associate and technical membership of IOSH. To achieve Sitting Guilds NVQ Level 3 certificate in OHS, please join the free introduction unit for more details.